Hi children, welcome back. Today we are continuing the exercise questions on page number 195. First of all, question number 2. Two square pyramids have the same volume. The base edge of one is half that of the other. How many times the height of the second pyramid is the height of the first? Okay. Let V1 equal to volume of the first pyramid, V2 equal to volume of the second pyramid. Given that V1 equal to V2, both the square pyramids have the same volume. So we can write 1 by 3 A1 square H1. A1 and H1 are the base edge and height of the first pyramid. V2 is equal to 1 by 3 A2 square H2. Here A2 and H2 are the base edge and height of the second pyramid. Question says that the base edge of one is half that of the other. So we can put A2 equal to A1 by 2. Then we can write 1 by 3 A1 square H1 equal to 1 by 3 A2. Replacing A2 by A1 by 2 the whole square into H2. So 1 by 3 A1 square H1 equal to 1 by 3 A1 square by 4 H2. We can cancel 1 by 3 and A1 square from both sides. Then H1 equal to H2 by 4. From this we have to find the height of the second pyramid, that means H2. H2 equal to 4H1. H2 equal to 4H1. From this we can say that the height of the second pyramid is 4 times the height of the first pyramid. Next, question number 3. The base edges of two square pyramids are in the ratio 1:2 and their heights in the ratio 1:3. The volume of the first is 180 cubic centimeters. What is the volume of the second? Here the ratio of base edges A1 is to A2 equal to 1:2 and the ratio of the heights H1 is to H2 equal to 1:3. Next we have to find the base edge of the first pyramid and the base edge of the second pyramid. So we can take, let the base edge of the first pyramid A1 equal to x and the base edge of the second pyramid A2 equal to 2x because the ratio is 1:2. Similarly, let the height of the first pyramid equal to y and the height of the second pyramid H2 equal to 3y. Volume of the first pyramid V1 equal to 1 by 3 A1 square H1. V1 equal to 180 cubic centimeter. So we can write 180 equal to 1 by 3 A1. A1 is x square into H1. H1 is y. This is equation number 1. We have to find the volume of the second pyramid. Therefore V2 equal to 1 by 3 A2 square H2 equal to 1 by 3 into A2 is 2x. 2x the whole square into H2. H2 is 3y. It is equal to 1 by 3 4x square into 3y. Next we have to arrange this equation as 1 by 3 x square into y. 1 by 3 x square y into 4 into 3. From equation 1 by 3 x square y is equal to 180. So we can write 180 into 4 into 3, 12. So 180 into 12 and it is equal to 2160 centimeter cube. Volume of the second pyramid is equal to 2160 centimeter cube. Next, question number 5. The slant height of a square pyramid is 25 centimeters and its surface area is 896 square centimeters. What is its volume? we have to find its volume using the height and surface area. So L is equal to 25 centimeter and TSA, the surface area, total surface area, equal to 2AL plus A square equal to 896 centimeter square. Using this equation, we have to find its volume. 2AL plus A square equal to 896. We have to put the value of L, then the equation becomes 2 into A into 25 plus A square equal to 896, and it is equal to 2 into 25, 50. 50A plus A square equal to 896. Arranging this, we can write A square plus 50A equal to 896. It is a second degree equation. We have to convert it into general form. Then it becomes A square plus 50A minus 896 equal to 0. We already know the universal formula for finding the solution of this equation. Here A equal to 1, the coefficient of A square, and B equal to 50, the coefficient of A, and C equal to minus 896, the constant term. Here the base edge A equal to minus B plus or minus root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. So what about B? B equal to 50. So we can put minus 50 plus or minus a root of 50 square minus 4 into A is 1 and C equal to minus 896 divided by 2 into 1. So simplifying this, we get minus 50 plus or minus a root of 2500. 50 square equal to 2500. Minus into minus becomes positive. So plus 4 into 896, which is equal to 3584 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 50 plus or minus root of 6084. 6084 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 50 plus or minus root of 6084 equal to 78, which is equal to 78 divided by 2. Here we get two values. Which are the two values? Yes, which is equal to minus 50 plus 78 by 2, comma, minus 50 minus 78 by 2. Minus 50 plus 78 equal to 28 by 2, and minus 50 minus 78 equal to minus 158 by 2, and it is equal to 14 comma minus 78. A means the base edge. Base edge is always positive, so we have to take the positive value for A. A equal to 14 centimeter. Next, using A and L, we have to find H. H is equal to root of L square minus A by 2 the whole square, and it is equal to root of 25 square minus 7 square. A equal to 14, A by 2 is 7, and it is equal to root of 625 minus 49, and it is equal to root of 576, which is equal to 24 centimeter. H is equal to 24 centimeter. Next we have to find the volume. Volume V is equal to 1 by 3 A square H, which is equal to 1 by 3. A means 14. 14 square into H is equal to 24. Simplifying this, we get 1 by 3 into 196 into 24. We can cancel 3 and 24. and it becomes 196 into 8 equal to 1568 centimeter cube.